Hi Diamond Divas, I have another Diamond Art Club kit for you today to show you, and is a round, as you can see by the circle on the front. It is called Coastal Window by, let's see, who's the artist name? By Non, N-O-N, okay? And the dimensions are 22 by 17 inches. If you like the centimeters, it is 55.8 centimeters by 42.6 centimeters. The box has the Scan Me code for an additional discount on your next diamond painting. If you'd like, if this is your first Diamond Art Club purchase, I have a discount code for 15% off down in the box below. I do get a tiny little bit of a percent back if you choose to buy through my code. Let's see. Let's open up the box and see what we got. Okay. I had opened this before, but unfortunately lost the video, so I'm doing it again. In the kits come with a small thumbnail of the picture, so that you can use it on your inventory sheets, or make it into a resin cover minder, or do whatever you want to with that sticker. And I'll show you the bigger sticker in here. It comes with a toolkit, your basic Diamond Art Club toolkit. Now, I've showed this one before, I just don't know which one kit this one specifically belonged to, because I separate everything when I get them in. But it comes with a clear boat and a stopper. It comes with a heart of wax that you're going to use the wax to put the diamonds in place. You have a drill pen and a squishy for comfort grip. You have multi-placers, a 4 and a 7 multi-placer in here. You get a lot of baggies so that you can kit up, which means that you can put your drills in the little baggies if you need to. And they come with a washi tape at random. This washi tape you can use to go around the outside edges of the sticky part of the canvas to keep it dry and to keep your drills nice and even, especially along the edge. And it gives you a cover minder with a magnet that you put on the back of the canvas, and you peel part of the plastic back. And since that doesn't like to stay in place while you're working on that piece, you put the magnet on the back, you put the other one on the front, and it keeps your plastic away from your work while you're working. Okay, so that's what comes in the normal Diamond Art Club kit. There are some old kits still floating around with some of the older diamond paintings, so you may get them, especially if you take advantage of one of the sales. But there's everything that you need within each kit to make your diamond painting, your diamond masterpiece. So let me open this up and we can see the canvas. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is just so incredibly beautiful. Okay, 22 by 17 inches. It has 52 colors in this small canvas. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 are Aurora Borealis. And we will see in this canvas where we're going to put them. It is a coastal scene, so you see the sky, the grayish sky in the background. You see the blue-grays as for the water, and you see the tans and mauves for the sand, and then you have these gorgeous flowers coming out of it that are blues and peaches and dark blues and greens and yellows in here. Absolutely marvelous. Absolutely beautiful. I will show you the close-up picture of Coastal Window. Take the diamonds out of here. Each kit, you'll see places on the kits that are either confetti or color blocking. Color blocking is just a large amount of one color in a larger area, and confetti would be like the seashells in the seashells in here with a lot of little colors in a small amount of place. There are trips and techniques on how to do both of those in my playlists. I first wanted to show you the sticker, and that is the full picture of Coastal Window. And again, it has little stickers, 52 colors altogether. The first 4 are Aurora Borealis because they're under the number 150, and for Diamond Art Club. And each of these is an individual sticker that will help you kit up, which means help you get started putting labels on identifying the colors before you start. Okay? So, and this Coastal Window is by Nan, N-A-N, Nan. Alright? So, let me show you the colors. And then I'll show you where to put the beautiful Aurora Borealis drills. Here we go. Now I will show you the DMC number on the front, because some do request that. Make sure I have them right side up and not upside down. Okay. There we go. Beautiful muted shades. At least I think they're muted. I like to put the sticker in the bottom of the drill bag so that I can always look at the picture and say, oh yes, that's the canvas it goes to. Although Diamond Art Club labels theirs very well. There's really no need to do that because they even have a label on the bag. But I'm a visual person, so I like to see that. Okay. Let's see. This is the right way. The right way around. It's got some really deep dark colors, and it's got some very pale colors. And the combination of the two is just stunning. You would think you were at the seashore when you look at these colors. I'll put it in the little baggie the best I can here. I'll keep that going as I go. These are the sandy beach colors. And the windowsill colors. Whoops. Let's see, here we go. You haven't seen the ABs in the string because I cut them out of the string already. Because I want to show you where they go in the painting itself. I bet you're thinking, Wanda, with all the diamond paintings you show us, what do you do with them all? When do you have time to make them all? I thought you were thinking that. Some of you were, anyway. Because some of you have asked before. Well, some I like to give away when I'm finished. Some I like to give away as kits. Some of them I will destash eventually. Probably this year, maybe this summer. And some of the finished ones I love to give away. Not just as Christmas presents, but to like this one would be beautiful in a doctor's office or a hospital ward. I think the ones that have some fantasy, some looking out, invites you to dream a bit, invites you to be not where you are, but to be somewhere else. And I think of people trying to escape their situations. Even a women's shelter, this would be beautiful in. That would be a great place also to donate some kits. I've worked, helped with women's shelter and helped with the kids in those women's shelters, and I have donated lots of craft supplies to them in the past, and they are very grateful for them, especially over the winter when there's storms and things and the kids are not in school. They're very grateful for things for the kids to do on snow days. Finished, this would be beautiful hanging on a wall or something in somebody's home where, you know, just for a feeling of escape, a feeling of vacation while you're in the midst of everyday life. Okay, so now let me get these in order here. And they were. What do you know? Nope, they weren't, but it's okay. 104, the light peach color. Let me show you here. That is the color. 104. Number ones, you look for the number ones, and they are in the top of some of the flowers. They are in the edges of some of the flowers. I saw that one. They're in here. They are, come on. They're in, I said that one. They're here and here. I see some in the shells at the bottom, which I'm not sure you can see at the moment. In the shells at the bottom, and in the vase, and in the other shells here. So you have some along the bottom, and you have some to draw your eye up in here. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is 125, and it is a sparkly mint. The number 2s I see all along in the sky. No, I see number 2s elsewhere. Let me see. No. And up in here in the clouds. So they're mainly in the sky and clouds to draw your eye across. So you have some sparkles down here. We have some sparkles across up here. I know where these go. The number 3s. The bright sparkly orange. In the centers of the flowers, mainly. And that's it. There's not too many of them. They're in the centers of the flowers. So they're to draw your eye right to the flowers. And the whites are number 4. The white sparkly. Number 4s are everywhere from the shells to the petals, the edges of the petals. Mainly. A lot of the white of each of the flowers. So you have dots in the center. You have ringing the outside of the petals. You have across the C and across the shelf. It really draws your eye right around the painting. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This one is stunning. If you have a chance to get this one from Diamond Art Club, this is stunning. I highly recommend it. Okay, well, as I roll this back up, I'll just show you that the pack of drills does have coastal window and the code that Diamond Art Club puts on the top. Okay, I like to roll these back up so that I have the thumbnail on the outside, and picture on the outside. And then with the thumbnail up, I put it back in its bag. Just an extra layer of protection. tuck it in on the end, and put it back in its box. Sometimes, with a lot of the older paintings, what I've done was thrown the boxes away and kept them in underbed boxes. There is a video from last year about the underbed boxes that I'll try to link down below. Okay? Okay, so what does this remind you of? Do you have a coastal window you like to look at? Where do you like to go on vacation? Do you have a special picture from one of your vacations you could make into a custom painting sometime to help you escape where you want to go? Where do you send, what do you do with all your finished diamond paintings? I'd love to know. Write them in the comments below. So thank you for joining me at Wanda's Workbasket today, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Bye.